My dear friends, sometimes we see that it is quite common that we keep aside our own worries, our own problems, and look into what the others do. And therefore we see that we tend to get involved in what is happening to them. Similarly, in today's gospel passage, we see that Peter thought that Jesus had said that John would not die. But we see that Jesus had his own way of saying things. And that is why we see that in our lives, discerning or listening to what the Spirit is telling us is very important. When we look at the lives of the early apostles, especially the life of Paul, we can see that the Spirit was guiding him wherever he went. They had received instructions from Jesus, they were following them, but we see that at every step of the way, when they were faced with a different situation, with a difficult situation, it was the Spirit that was guiding them. And we may ask, how does the Spirit guide us in today's world? We see that God speaks to us, or He communicates through various ways, through situations, through events, and also through those who are there around us. And therefore, if we are to listen to what the Spirit is telling us, first of all, we need to have peace within us. And when we speak about peace, it's not only silence. It is when we let go of ourselves, when we do not place ourselves in the center, but we fill ourselves with Jesus. And therefore, when Jesus is at the center of our lives, we see that everything revolves around Him. It is He who acts in and through us. And therefore, my dear friends, as we prepare ourselves to receive the Spirit, we ask the Lord to give us a heart that is conducive, a heart that is full of mercy and love, so that we may recognize the working of the Spirit in our lives, and most importantly, that we may be able to radiate the love, peace, and joy of Christ to the world around us. Amen.